Learn how to create inspirational finance YouTube videos using 100% free AI tools. Welcome to Grow Smarter Media. Complete step-by-step system, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok AI, 11 Labs, and CapCut. Let's dive in.
Picture this: daily uploads, 20-minute finance videos, professional animations, and a character people recognize instantly. Sounds expensive, right? What if I told you that you could build this entire system using nothing but free AI tools? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create high RPM finance content from scratch. No team, no budget, just you and AI. Here's what most people miss about successful finance channels. It's not the advice that makes them stand out. It's identity. That's the difference between scattered uploads and a real brand. I've worked behind the scenes with channels that have millions of subscribers, and I'm going to show you the same system they use, but simplified for complete beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the exact workflow to repeat this system daily. And here's the best part: everything we're using is easy and free. Let's get started this workflow step by step. Step 1, pick your lane. Most beginners try to cover everything: investing, budgeting, crypto, taxes. That's a mistake. The channels that grow fastest pick one specific angle and go deep. So choose your focus: wealth psychology, market breakdowns, money habits, or investing strategies. Just pick one. Step 2, create your character profile. This is where your visual identity begins. You need a character that will appear in every video and thumbnail. For that, we will use ChatGPT. So head to ChatGPT and use this prompt. This prompt will describe the main character for all your video, and hit generate. ChatGPT will generate a character description in few seconds. Copy that description and open Grok. Go to the left sidebar and hit the Imagine tab. A box will open. Choose Image Generation and hit Paste your character description there and hit Generate. You'll get many options. If you scroll down, you will get more. Pick the one that feels right for your brand. This becomes your base character. Save it. We'll use this exact character throughout every video. Step 3, find your first video idea. Here's the trick: don't reinvent the wheel. Look at what's already working. Find a successful finance channel in your niche. As an example, I'm chosen this channel called Nick Invest. This channel started over 5 months ago, and it's exploding right now. So copy their last 10 to 15 video titles into a list and head to ChatGPT with this prompt. This prompt will brainstorm new original ideas based on a successful channel and hit generate. In few moments, ChatGPT will generate you original ideas. So pick the one that excites you most. That's your first video. Step 4, write your script using Claude. This is where Claude shines. It handles long-form content better than ChatGPT. So open Claude and paste this prompt. Insert your video title where it says your video topic. Hit enter and wait. Claude will generate your full script. Step 5, turn your script into image prompts. Now we need visuals to match every part of your script. So copy this prompt into ChatGPT. This prompt will generate your scene prompts based on your script with mood, style, and visual elements, and hit generate. ChatGPT will give you a numbered list of image prompts. Save these, then create motion prompts to animate these images. For that, we will use this prompt. This prompt will describe the animation corner for each image, like camera movement, rotation, and speed. Perfect. Now we have both image prompts and motion instructions. It's time for creating our visuals. Step 6, generate all your visuals. All right, now we're going to generate all the visuals with Grok AI. So open Grok and click Imagine in the left sidebar. Make sure you're in image mode first, then upload the same base character you saved in step 2 as a reference, so Grok keeps the face, outfit, and style consistent. The base character will appear automatically, so click in top right of the image where it says Edit Image, then take scene 1 from your prompts list, paste it into the prompt box, then hit Generate, look at the results, and pick the cleanest one. And if something is off, don't rewrite everything. Just tweak one thing only, like make the background simpler, or make the character looking at the chart, then generate again and save the final image. And once scene 1 is done, you repeat the exact same process for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. until you've generated and downloaded every single scene image. Now it's time to turn them into motion clips. So go back inside Grok, imagine, upload the first image created, paste the matching motion instruction for this image from step 5, and hit generate. A short clip around 5 seconds is ready. Download it and repeat for every scene until you have a full folder with your images and their animated versions, all consistent, clean, and ready to drop into CapCut for the final edit. But before that, we need to add a voiceover to our finance script. Let's move on. Step 7, create your voiceover. Head over to 11 Labs. Pick a voice that sounds professional but friendly, something like Luke or Daniel. Paste your script into the text box and hit generate. Listen to the first 30 seconds.
To this. It's 3 days before payday.
Does it sound
and you're
natural?
staring
If
at your
not,
bank account.
adjust the stability and clarity sliders. More stability equals calmer tone. More clarity equals sharper pronunciation. Generate the full voiceover and download it as an MP3 file. Now it's time for the last step, assembling everything together. Step 8, edit everything together in CapCut. Open CapCut free version, create a new project, and import your voiceover first. This becomes your timeline backbone. Then import all your video clips and drag them onto the timeline above the voiceover. Align each video clip with what the voiceover is discussing. If the narrator mentions compound interest, show the visual about compound interest. Add captions. Click Text Auto Captions. CapCut will transcribe everything automatically. Style your captions. Use a bold, readable font, Montserrat or Poppins. Make keywords stand out in yellow or white. Keep captions at the bottom third of the screen. Lastly, preview your video. Does it flow? Are visuals matching the voiceover? If sounds good, export it in high resolution. And that's it. Your first video is ready to publish.
Picture this. It's 3 days before payday, and you're staring at your bank account. $27. You've got groceries to buy, gas to put in your car, and that sinking feeling in your stomach that you've been here before, many times before. Last month, you promised yourself things would be different. You even got a raise 6 months ago. But somehow, you're still living paycheck to paycheck, and you have no idea where all the money went. If this sounds familiar,
You now have
you're not
a
alone.
complete finance video system using only free AI tools. So, pick your topic, follow these steps, and upload our first video today. Then do it again tomorrow and the day after, because that's how you build a channel that compounds one consistent upload at a time. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to AIpreneur for more AI money tutorials, and drop a comment telling me what kind of finance video are you going to create first. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.
If you enjoyed this video and you feel it was helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. More content coming soon. Until next time, goodbye.